Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the landmark judgment of Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India, which played most significant role towards the transformation of judicial view on Article 21 of the Constitution so as to imply many more fundamental rights from Article 21. Facts of the case are as follows. Maneka Gandhi was issued passport on 1st June 1976 under the Passport Act 1967. The regional passport officer at New Delhi issued a letter dated 2nd July 1977 addressed to Maneka Gandhi in which she was asked to surrender her passport within 7 days. Maneka Gandhi immediately wrote a letter to the regional passport officer at New Delhi seeking in return a copy of the statement of reasons for such order. However, Ministry of External Affairs refused to produce any such reason in the interest of general public. Later, a writ petition was filed by Maneka Gandhi under Article 32 of the Constitution in the Supreme Court challenging the order of Government of India as violating her fundamental rights guaranteed under Article 21 of the Constitution. Following are the issues raised by the court. First, whether right to go abroad is a part of right to personal liberty under Article 21. Second, whether the Passport Act prescribes a procedure as required by Article 21 before depriving a person from the right guaranteed under the said article. Third, whether Section 10, Clause 3, Subclause C of the Passport Act is violative of Article 14, Article 19, Clause 1, Subclause A, and Article 21 of the Constitution. Fourth, whether the impunged order of the regional passport officer is in contravention of the principle of natural justice. Following is the judgment pronounced by the court. To the extent to which Section 10, Clause 3, Subclause C of the Passport Act 1967 authorizes the passport authority to impound a passport in the interest of the general public, it is violative of Article 14 of the Constitution since it confers vague and undefined power on the passport authority. Section 10, Clause 3, Subclause C is violative of Article 21 of the Constitution since it does not prescribe procedure within the meaning of that article and the procedure practiced is worst. Following are the effects after the Supreme Court's judgment on the case. A new doctrine of post-decisional theory was evolved. One of the significant interpretation in this case is the theory of interconnection between the three articles, Article 14, Article 19 and Article 21. This is a law which prescribes a procedure for depriving a person of personal liberty has to fulfill the requirements of Article 14 and 19 also. It was finally held by the court that the right to travel and go outside the country is included in the right to personal liberty guaranteed under Article 21. The court ruled that mere existence of an enabling law was not enough to restrain personal liberty. Such law must also be just, fair, and reasonable.